Welcome to the Kylie and Rue show. Today, actually, Kylie's a little sick, so Dr. Jochen is going to sit in for her. Welcome, Dr. Jochen.
Thank you. I'm so excited to be here. We're talking about what's hot. Is that what you said?
That's correct. We're talking about what's hot today. And
well, I think what's hot is what's cold.
I like that.
And
Tell me what you
I think
mean.
what's hot is cold?
Tell me.
Because we got our 4th CoolSculpt machine this week.
Oh my gosh.
Can you believe that?
So what does that mean for our office?
Well, can you hold up the CoolSculpt device?
I sure can.
We actually had our rep out today, and what did she tell us, LaRue?
She told us that we are the #1 cool sculptor in the Valley.
Yes, and go ahead.
Okay, go ahead. You go.
Well, and we have just been killing it with patients because we've gotten 4 cool sculptors now. And with 4 cool sculptors, what does that mean, LaRue, for our patients?
That, of course, means that you can walk in the same day and get cool sculpting. So you could come to our office today and you can get cool sculpting today. No downtime. You can go swimming, you can exercise, you can golf the same exact day.
But I think there might still be some people out there who don't know what cool sculpting is. And so, do you want to tell us what cool sculpting is?
Yes, let me definitely tell you what it is. Cool sculpting is a non-invasive way to get rid of fat. It's pinchable fat that you can see, and it's a way that you get rid of fat. You just need 2 cycles, 2 to 4 months, and you're going to get rid of about 40 to 50% of the fat.
Exactly. So I've actually had it done in multiple areas of my body, and I love CoolSculpt because I actually debulk my fat by using liposuction, but I've been left with these problem areas. And for a man, the chest is an area where we really don't like to collect fat. In fact, it has a name now. It's called moobs, and my daughter is constantly pinching me. And now she can no longer actually be serious when she says I have moobs. So LaRue hooked me up with treatments, and I got 1 treatment for my chest, and it worked great. And then LaRue did an examination and found out I had a little bit of fat left above.
Now he has nothing. Look at him.
Yeah. So
he's
it
so
works
skinny,
great.
it's annoying. It's super
I
annoying.
wish it were true. But you know what I do in addition to the cool sculpting to try to stay skinny?
What do? I already know.
You know. Take a guess. Tell me.
I'm thinking, well, of course you work out.
I work out.
You work out all the time. He works out like 5 times a week. But I'm thinking the Vela Shapes, of course.
Well, the Vela Shapes, but also what's across the street?
Oh, Medi weight loss.
Medi weight loss. So, once you go to all this trouble, I think it's so important for our patients to try to maintain their weight. Because this really, cool sculpting isn't a substitution for weight loss. And so, you really want to maintain your body. And so I think you really need to get a healthy lifestyle by doing Medi weight loss, and it's made it so easy. Now, you've had patients that have told you their stories. What was your most memorable story?
The most memorable story, I like both ends of the spectrum. I like people that are trying to lose a lot of weight, but I also like people who are trying to lose a lot of weight. So I've had patients that have lost 85 pounds even, but I think even trying to lose that last 10 or 15 pounds, I think a lot of times that's the hardest weight to lose. So when you have a success story for people who have been trying to lose weight for 15 years and you can lose that last 10 to 15 pounds, that's amazing to me.
Right. And I had a really emotional story that I thought was really sweet that this lady told me this week. She said that she's lost, I think, 65 pounds in the Medi weight loss program. And what she said was she used to avoid restaurants that had booths because she couldn't fit into a booth. And so she was really sad and uncomfortable. And she's lost all her weight, and she went to Denny's because that's where her mom wanted to go. And she said she had this anxiety from knowing that she couldn't fit into booths. And she slid right into that booth. And she said it's one of the best feelings that she's had just by doing Medi weight loss. So I think CoolSculpt is amazing. I think our Skinny Center is amazing. And thank you for doing such a great job with it.
Great. I just want to let you guys know that you can find out more about cool sculpting as well as Medi weight loss on our website. It's www.contourderm.com. Also, if you mention that you saw this, you're going to be able to save 10% off your cool sculpt. Just go ahead and call for an appointment.
And how do people get these cool contour mugs? I just want to know, how do they get these?
You need to come in for a consultation and we give you a swag bag.
Okay, great.